Today, we're digging into a super smart play by Duran Gold. It's kind of like a real-life treasure hunt.
All right, let's start with a puzzle. How do you boost a project's gold data by a whopping 51%?
Without spending a dime on new drilling? Well, the answer's kind of brilliant.
Our story starts with a junior explorer, Duran Gold, in their Antonella project in Peru.
Now, this project wasn't new. It actually came with a bunch of old drill data from 2011.
But Duran's tech team looked at the old core and noticed something huge was missing.
Get this. The CEO said 2/3 of the core was just left there, totally unsampled. Crazy, right?
So the old operator just cherry-picked. Duran's team, they went back and sampled everything.
This is called infill sampling, basically going back to analyze what was ignored the first time around.
And this work smarter, not harder move, it unlocked a ton of data just hiding in plain sight.
The result? A massive 51% jump in the total amount of gold they could account for. And they didn't just find more gold, they found rich gold. Check out this shallow, high-grade hit.
All of a sudden, high-grade stuff popped up in 9 out of the 12 old drill holes.
Okay, so why is this such a big deal? Well, you know what they say. Location, location, location.
The project is in Peru's Ancash region, which is basically a famous neighborhood for giant deposits.
I mean, this region has a serious legacy of huge discoveries. Duran's in the right spot.
So Duran's results fit right in with the high-grade systems all around them, a huge confidence booster.
All right, so what's next for Duran Gold? Where do they even go from here?
Well, they've turned that old data into a crystal-clear, data-driven roadmap for future drilling.
Their path forward is clear. More science, new targets, permits, and then start the drills.
The bottom line is they can now drill with so much more precision and way more confidence.
It really makes you think, right? Could the next big discovery actually be sitting in a box?